Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, October the 17th, 2020. Yes, the third Sudoku, a binary Sudoku, and this will be number 1770. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, O, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O here, 1. Oh, we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Ooh, alright. Then I cannot continue. I need, oh yes, double one here and O, then O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here and O, then O. 4, so the rest are ones. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Yeah. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then I need to compare. Nope, between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then I need to compare. Yes, let me compare. Number 1. Yes, this row and this row. 0, 1, 1, 0, empty box, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Alright. And now compare again. Well. Let me see. 10. Well, yeah. This one and that one. 0, 1, 1, 0, empty box, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two boxes, digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku with a lot of comparing. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku I will do. It's a tectonic with 3 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.